everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivani and in today's video I'm going to share some of the Valentine's Day special gift ideas that you can give to your partner. So as you all know that Valentine is just around the corner and I thought I should share some of the gift ideas that you can give to your partner and make this day special. So yeah, without wasting any further minute, let's get started. Okay, so starting off with number one, which is the handwritten love letters, and to make it look a bit Valentine Day-ish, you can just pair it up with a rose or maybe a bouquet of roses. Now, handwritten notes have something which instantly makes the other person feel special. Like, I don't know, but I know you're understanding me. That it has something like the other person has actually taken out time from their schedules and they have done something for you. So yeah, it instantly makes the other person feel so special. So yeah, just go for it. Unlike the normal text messages like happy Valentine's Day and I love you, you can go ahead and write a cute little handwritten love letter. So the second one is the pendants or the necklaces, and obviously this is for girls particularly. Now these are kind of delicate jewelry, these rings or pendants, these are something that girls really love and they will preserve it for life if you have given them. So yeah, go ahead and gift them these. Okay, so next one is a gift box with all the favorite things of him or her. So basically it is a kind of a box. You can buy a box or maybe DIY a box in which you put all his or her favorite things like wallets, maybe rings, pendants, nail sets, whatever, or maybe even chocolates if you don't find anything, because who doesn't like chocolates? So you put all these things and wrap it with a good Valentine Day themed wrapping paper like maybe red, pink, white. These are all the Valentine Day colors. So yeah, basically you wrap it with that, and this is a nice gift idea, I guess. So yeah, you can go ahead with this. Okay, so next one is puzzle with your pictures. Like basically, you know, where you join the puzzle pieces and then your picture comes as a final result on the board. That is what I am talking about. But you know, my explanation is shit, but I will insert a picture right here. So basically you join all these puzzle pieces and your picture comes as a result. You maybe print your partner's picture or maybe a picture of you both, whichever way you like it. Next one is a date night, and obviously who does not like a date night? Maybe you can take her to a movie date or a dinner date, or basically you can do something like this. I don't know how to explain this, but this way you get your personal space and it's just so romantic and cute. Make sure the ambience is very nice wherever you take her or him. So yeah. So next one is a memory box. So you know these people who make customized gift boxes where you know you just open the box and then there are so many pictures of you both together, like your memories together. Then you open another box, something like that you can give to them, or maybe even an explosion box. When you open the box, you are just showered with million of cubes, like they have your pictures printed on them, something like that. You can obviously give them that. Next one is a scrapbook or a collage. So basically the idea is similar to the previous one. You basically want to revive your memories but in a budgetful way, because you can obviously DIY a scrapbook. You just have to get your pictures printed, like pictures of you both. You get them printed, you write something there, you stick on some stickers, some nice hearts or glitter, and basically you give them that, and you can obviously revive millions of memories this way. Now next one is a pillow of collages. Now obviously you can get your pictures printed on a pillow, or maybe the collage of your pictures printed on a pillow, and maybe you can get those cushions, you know, which are known as mermaid throw pillow. No, you know, where you do like that and there is one picture and then you do like that, there is another picture. So yeah, they are known as mermaid throw pillows, and you can obviously get your hands on them as well. This is a really great way to save and cherish your memories for life. Okay, so next one is the personalized keychains or pendants. Now obviously you can get your pictures printed on these keychains or the pendants, and also there are numerous keychains or pendants available on the online sites where you know one thing, like one part is taken up by the girl and other one is taken up by the boy. Like I don't know again how to explain, but this is the picture. And yeah, you can obviously gift something like this. And I think this video is all about the personalized things, but I can't help it because you can gift other things as well, but the touch of personalization that you give to it is what makes the Valentine Day special and basically your relationship special. So yeah, so next one is a message bottle. Now there are numerous kind of these glass jars or glass bottles or glass bulbs, like the fancier versions basically, available on the online sites, where you get these cute little notes inside them, which you write them by yourselves, and you can make your partner feel special. So yeah, I will insert the pictures again. Okay, so next one is a personalized mug, and obviously you can get your pictures printed on a mug and save that for life to cherish your memories. Next one is hangings with love quotes. Now if you don't want to get into pictures or something, you can obviously get these hangings, which they have amazing love quotes. And there is a picture, I saw one of them on Amazon or Flipkart, maybe, I don't know, but I will make sure to link everything down below in the description box, which are available on the online site, so it get easier for you. So don't forget to check the description box. So yeah, this was the 12th idea. Next one is I love you chocolate boxes, also available online. I will make sure I leave a link down below in the description box. So this is what it looks like. Basically there are the chocolates, and which are covered with some cute packaging, and the packaging says it all, and it looks so classy, luxurious, and love themed. Next one is a slam book, and there are these books where you can document your journey basically as a couple. So it have like titles like what I love about you, or what I thought when I saw you the first time, etc, etc. So this is how it looks like, and the link will be in the description box as usual. Next one is showpieces. Now there are numerous cute little showpieces which are specially designed for the Valentine's Day. So you can gift it on its own, or maybe pair it up with chocolates or roses, etc. Is having love cards, and basically there are these fancier versions of love cards available on the online sites, where you can obviously document, like it is kind of like a slam book where you can document your journey as a couple, like you can write cute things and gift it to your loved ones. So the next idea is giving the ring box in the form of a flower. So basically it is kind of a surprise like of kind of thing, where you just give the flower, and it like seems like a flower, but it is actually a ring box, and when you open it there is a ring inside, so which can be a really great idea for the Valentine's Day. And next one is customized t-shirts. Now obviously there are couple t-shirts available online as well as offline. There are numerous ways you can get them, like those soulmates or king, queen, etc. You can just give them to your partner as well. Okay, so guys, I completely forgot to mention this particular gift. So basically it is a ring, and there are also pendants available, and when you peep through it, you see I love you written in 100 different languages. So it can make a really cool idea for the Valentine's Day. These were all of the gifts which were like some more on the personalized side, but you can also gift some practical things which your partner is eyeing on. Like even if it is not Valentine Day appropriate, they will still like it, because they that may be in their wish list, or they are eyeing on, and basically they are in need of it, so they will definitely like it. So if your partner is eyeing on a perfume, just get them that perfume. If you know that they are eyeing on a wristwatch, get that wristwatch. So basically you can gift anything like dress belts, wallets, everything you can gift to your partner. Now again, to add that Valentine Day touch to it, you can just wrap it up with a Valentine Day themed wrapping paper, or maybe you can pair it up with roses, bouquets, chocolates, etc. Okay, so guys, these were all of the ideas that I had in store for you for the Valentine's Day, and I hope you liked all the ideas, and I hope you liked this video in general. If you did, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.